Hey guys, what's up? It's Mia, and today I'm going to be opening a slime package that I got from Creamy Cookie Slimes. So yeah, make sure to comment hashtag unicorn spot to be shouted out in my next video. So let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so this is the package. Sorry, it's right here. I have some scissors to open it up, and you guys will get the first peek. I don't know what's in this package, so let's open it. Okay, let's see if we can open this package. I would probably like, Mia, don't cut yourself. I'm not gonna cut myself. That's hard to open like that. Alright, I'm not looking, guys. Okay, here's all of the slimes. See if we can find like a note. Oh, I think I found something. Alright, you set that there. I cannot see inside. Okay, so there's an invoice and a note. Let's read the note first. Let's see if that has anything from it. Alright, it says, "Hi Mia, I really hope you enjoy all the slimes that I sent you. XOXO Creamy Cookie Slimes, aka Tilda B." You guys can pause and read. Or you can translate it if you're not in a language. Yep, that is the note. The invoice. Okay, so I got a chewed grape gum. I already have one of them, but I just wanted to check out hers. Green butter slime, Hubba Bubba tape, glitter cloud, and unicorn poop. And chewed up grape gum is $7. Green butter slime is $8. Hubba Bubba tape is $5. Glitter cloud is $6, and unicorn poop is $8. So, yeah, let's just keep the invoice open here. Let's pull out a slime. Pull out a slime. Oh my gosh, is this? I think this one is the green butter slime. Put this package down. So this one looks like the green butter slime, and my slime bucket is in my way. I'm trying to play with the slime. And we're going to go onto my iPad at the end. We're going to shout someone out. We're going to go on to the video. So it has pennies in it. So it's cool. Alright. Let's see if we can get a close-up of this. Whoa. That's really nice. 100% honest slime shop review. Creamy Cookie Slimes. She's not very big. So we did do trade package. So I made her some slimes and she made me some slimes. And I don't know what I was getting because it's a trade. So yeah, that is green butter slime. So yeah, the package you guys get inside there. Ooh, we got a purple glittery one. I would say it's unicorn poop. This one is glittery. But I think glitter cloud means glitter cloud slime. Or like cloud cream or something. I think she said that it was a cloud. I was getting one cloud cream. Whoa, that's really, really sticky. It's probably got really sticky in the shipping process. Yeah, it's really sticky. Wow. Alright, I have some activator. I think in my closet. Sorry guys, I just need to get some activator because slime is really sticky. It got less stringy. I activated it. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like flowers. 100% honest review. Creamy cookie slimes. Oh, wow. It's still really sticky, but I don't think there's any changing that. It's really clear. I feel like this is Elmer's glitter glue based. Purple, there's chunky. So yeah, that is unicorn poo. It looks self-inflating. I think it is self-inflating. Crap. Barely fits in the container, but that is unicorn poo. Alright guys, so let's get the package. Some activator here just in case. And let's pull. Alright. Ooh, I think this one's pink. So it's Hubba Bubba tape, I would say. Not completely sure. Yep. Really stretchy. Not very stretchy. Really good for pokes and bubble pops. Unicorn poop made my hands really dry. But yeah, that is Hubba Bubba tape. Let's get back into the package. Oh, chewed grape gum. This one has a label. I want these kind of containers. They're really nice. They're the Deli 8 ounce, I think. Let's say these are 8 ounce. Yeah, DC 8. Just means 8 ounces. Ooh, this one's really nice. I think mine's a little bit softer. I took all the stuff out of mine. Now mine's just a purple, really glittery one. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I took all the stuff out of mine. So mine's not chewed up grape gum. Not very good for poking. Not really, oh, it's really good for stretching actually. Really nice. Really nice for bubble popping. So that is chewed grape. Okay, so the last slime in here is probably glitter cloud. Oh, that looks really amazing. This texture is amazing. Guys, this is a cloud cream. Look at the fall on that. I love the noises. It's kind of like a butter cloud slime. It's more of a cloud slime. Let's watch this. If it doesn't do that, what my slime just did, if it does not do this, those little strings, it's not a cloud slime. Mine's definitely a cloud cream because it's really thick. But, oh, is this self-inflating? That would be so amazing if it was. I don't think it is. Yeah, that is glitter cloud. So yeah, those are all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below. And make sure to comment down below, hashtag unicorn squad. See you guys later. Bye! Okay guys, so that whole video was a spoof. Not real. It was a slime package from myself. So yeah, I hope I got you guys. Bye!